Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about BlockDag network. We will find out whether this is a legit or just another scam. Right, so here let me take you to the website here. So this is a scam advisor, and it just show me the trust value of the website, and as you can see here the trust value is 1, right, which is really bad and identified by scam alert global as a scam. You can see here, right? So yeah, of course, and here you can just read the negative highlights and here the positive highlights, right? And this is just a one red flag. Let me show you another. Many customer review on the trust pilot. Here you can see, let me show you the 1 star. Okay, if you check the company name on Amazon app info, look it up on company's house, it is defunct company which hadn't traded for years. Okay, beware people. A block tag is a scam. Same thing, crypto pre-sale is a scam, 100% scam and everything, right? A post on Reddit. So let's go to Reddit here, and here you can see they copied the white paper from Gaspa. 100%. Oh, I mean, it's around 1 lakh% scam, right? So you can just go and keep on reading. You will just make sure you just go to Google and search for it, and you will get hundreds of reports on this website. And definitely, and there's another last proof I can show you. This is article by Yahoo Finance, and from April 2024, praises BlackDag transparency, technical advancement, and community engagement. It argues BlockDag stand out as a trustworthy project. I don't know why. Okay, and some positive review on the Trustpilot. Even as you can see here, there's a. Let me show you. Let's go back, and here this is some 5-star review. But still, I find this sketchy because if I just go and check this here, you can see 1 review. So this is a new account, and they have given only 1 review. So this could be just a bot account here. Same thing goes for this. It has given 26 review, but you can see here they have given 1 star. So this found a legit because they have given reviews on the other websites and products too. Same way, only 2 reviews and 1 review. So why 5 stars account had just only 1 or 2 reviews? If I just go and check that what other reviews this person has given, okay, so it's same about cryptocurrency, right? And it's on Yoho mobile. Okay, and this I don't know, this sounds a little bit of like a scam, but of course you can just do the research, watch some of the YouTube videos, and you will definitely come to know. I hope that I made a conclusion for you guys, and this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.